Welcome back to another video. In our video yesterday, we were able to set up a Windows Server 2025 on a VirtualBox. Today, we are going to show you how I set this behind a firewall, pfSense firewall, and we will assign it a static IP address. Hello, and welcome to another episode from Cloud Ops Central. This is James. You can reach me at cloudopscentral.net or you can contact me at james@jamesking.info. You can check out my portfolios, my certifications, and I also have some GitHub repositories at github/cloudopscentral. Now today I want to show you that I do have this set behind a firewall. So right now I am just at Google and my firewall IP address is 192.168.10.1. And when I go there, pfSense, I can log in. I'm not going to log in right now. I want to go ahead and move on to the next step. So let's go to our VirtualBox. We do need to adjust some settings. The first setting that we're going to adjust, or practically the only setting, is we're going to change our network adapter to a bridge adapter so that it behaves just like a real server. Whether your server is actually installed on bare metal or on a VirtualBox, it doesn't really make a difference. Some people choose to do either one so that they can run multiple servers. In this case, we have it on a VirtualBox. We did go ahead and change it, so let's start up our server. And if you remember, we were in scale mode. We don't want to start out in scale mode because if we start out in scale mode, we won't be able to do the Control-Alt-Delete correctly. So when it comes here and it says, do you want to switch to scale mode? We're going to say cancel. That will go ahead and bring the server up regular, and then we will scale it. Let's go ahead and get started. VirtualBox Oracle. It's booting up. It takes just a brief moment, depending on the speed of your computer. It should be almost finished. It is, so let's go ahead and input our Control-Alt-Delete. Type in our password. And now if we want, we can go ahead and go to scale mode. That way you can see a little bit of a bigger screen. If you notice, I have 179 days left on our evaluation. Our server manager is coming up. We're not going to do anything with that today. I'll let it go ahead and load. We can go ahead and exit out of this for now. I do want to go ahead and open up our internal network. If you notice, I already went here to check it out to make sure that it did work. And it does. So I can sign into my pfSense firewall if I wanted to, just like I could if this was the outside network. And now I want to go ahead and run my command line interface. So type in CMD for command. Let's check out our IP address. So we will type in IP config. And right now I'm showing an IP address of 192.168.10.13. I want to go ahead and set up a static IP address. So I will go to my settings. I'm going to go to Network, Ethernet, We can leave it at public if you want to. It doesn't really make a difference. I want to come down here to IP assignment. I'm going to edit this. I don't want automatic. I do want manual. I do want IPv4. I don't want IPv6. I do know that I'm going to set this at 192.168.11 because my laptop where I'm running my server is actually on the 10 network, 10.10. My subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and my gateway again is 192.168.10.1. And yes, I am having some typing problems today. I'm going to set an outside Google DNS and let's save. We're going to keep our fingers crossed that this works. Let's try to go to the internet. It does look like it works, and it does. So we have changed our IP address. Let's take another look. Let's go back to our command prompt and see what we get this time. Let's type in IP config, and we have 192.168.10.11. We are going to save this because in order to set up our DNS server and Active Directory server, we are going to need a static IP address. This has been a short video brought to you again by James at Cloud Ops Central. Please hit the like and subscribe button. You can also, if you want, buy me a coffee. I have changed things on my set. So go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.